Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into the full 2025 guide on how to use Trello's board collections feature. First up, let's get you logged into your Trello account. Now that we've done that, navigate to your boards section. This is where you'll see all your boards gathered in one place. The reason we do this is to help you better organize your work and tasks. Next up, look for the Create Board Collection button towards the top right. Click on it, and you'll see a pop-up where you can name your new collection. This helps us because it allows us to group similar boards together, making it easier to find and manage them. After you've given your new collection a name, hit the Create button. You'll be taken to your new collection, which will be empty at first. Let me explain why this matters. This is the foundation for your organized work environment. Now, let's start adding boards to your collection. To do this, go back to your Boards section, hover over a board, and click the Add to Collection button. Select the collection you just created. Repeat this step for all boards you want to add to the collection. The reason we do this is to ensure that you have all your related tasks and projects in one place. To view your collection, simply click on the Collections dropdown on your Boards page and select the collection you want to view. This will display all the boards in that collection. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Trello is filtering your boards based on the collection you've selected, making it easier for you to locate specific projects. And that's it. You've just created and populated your Trello board collection. Keep in mind, this feature is an incredibly powerful tool for keeping your tasks and projects organized and easy to find. Remember, the key to productivity is organization, and Trello's board collections feature is a great way to achieve that. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.